So for example number 2, we got a bunch of stuff. So I've got a circle. I really should get a compass and draw the circles, but that's okay. So I've got a circle, a perfectly drawn circle, where this point is R, and then I got a point here on the circle, this is G. I got a point here on the circle, which is H. I got a point here on the circle, which is E. And then I got a point here on the circle. And I want to be clear, it's not the diameter, so we're just going to put that over here. That's F. And we are told that this angle here is 110. This is 80 degrees, and this one is 40 degrees. And we're asked to find the following. What is the measure of the arc G to E? What is the measure of the arc GEF? What is the measure of the arc GF? So now this is kind of hard because when I see GE, am I thinking from G all the way around to E? Or am I thinking from G to E? Now this one I don't like because technically you would say GFE, right? Or you would say GHE. But they don't want to say that because it can be confusing. So a rule of thumb for that is that it's usually like a minor arc. So this would be a major arc if I came around this way. So we're just gonna go this way, all right? So what it's gonna be is it's gonna be the measure of GH plus the measure of HE. Okay, and so we look at the central angles to get the arc. So this arc from here to here is 40 degrees. And this arc from here to here is 80 degrees. So then that means it would be 120 degrees. Okay. Now GEF, you go in order, we're going to come around this way. GEF goes this way. So that's going to be a bunch of them. It's going to be GH plus HE and then EF. And notice I'm going GEF, right? So that's going to be 40 plus 80 plus 110, which, if my math is right, that should be 230 degrees. Okay? Now GF, we could go this way or we could go this way. But GF is going to probably be the minor arc. And the minor arc can be found by taking the major arc, in other words, the rest of the circle, and subtracting it from 360. So if I say 360 minus the arc GEF, then that would be 360 minus this measure right here, 230, which, if my math is correct, that should be 130 degrees. So this is way easier than the trig that we did last chapter. And that's it. That's example number 2.